Hey guys, I don't have my thing on. Oh wait, yeah, I do. 1 second. I am retarded. Hi, welcome to the real world. I don't know why I put tape on that. I just had tape for some reason. I'm really weird. Okay. Well, anyways, I'm doing a part 2 to that moto game. I don't know why. Well, I recently just made a video, but it didn't go out. Yeah, it didn't go out. I can tell because look, my YouTube channel right here, Zach Attack 0113. See? There's not two videos. There's only recording one. So I can tell. And it why is my face so doofy? Anyways, yeah. So Zach Attack here, you know. Anyways, yeah, my video didn't go out for some reason, so I'm doing a second thing in this video. And I just wanted to I just wanted to make a second part. So it's not gonna be a total flunk. Why did I search Kizzy on Kizzy? Oh, Moto. Anyways, yeah. Okay. We're gonna do Moto Winter because that's one of the newer games. There's gonna be an ad. Yep. This is what we do when there's an ad. We close up on my fat face! Oh, don't you love it? Content. There we go. Oh, yeah. What's this? I don't know what that is. Okay. Well, anyways, we're gonna go back. Okay. Let's go. Anyways, you guys might have been able to hear that music. It was not the best. Believe me. Oh, it's frozen! Woo! It's frozen. Yeah. Oh, my life is a lie. You butthole? Who do you think I am? Okay. What was that? It's so laggy. Well, that thing would have killed me. Whatever. Is this like 2 frames per like hour? Cause like this is terrible. Yay! Oh! Um, can I change bike? Yes, I can. 15 stalls, mate. Gotta do the next level. Uh, It's like so slow. It's annoying. You broke your neck, kid. I'm ticked. Ticked off that. My internet is so slow. Ah, wow. All right. Oh my god. Well, guys, it's just too laggy. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Well, this was Zack Attack. Have a Zack Attack day. See ya. Oh, P.S. Like Trey from the Peasant. Subscribe Trey from the Peasant. Do it. Or Kakashi will do it. Kakashi will do the butt thing.